Unit 7 Review. Use the following information for 7 through 9. Lucas sells vacuums. There are two types of vacuums for sale, deluxe and economy. Last month, he sold 2 deluxe versions for every 6 economy versions. So that's given information for all of these problems. So let's look at number 7. If Lucas sold 36 economy vacuums, so that's also given information. Now we have our question. How many deluxe vacuums did he sell? Okay. So to solve this problem, we're going to start with the given information in this question, which is 36 economy vacuums. Just going to call them eco. And we want to multiply by a ratio so that our result is deluxe vacuums. So we need to use the information that we were given up here. Okay, he sold 2 deluxe for every 6 economy. Okay, so since we want economy to cancel, we're going to put the economy value on the bottom. So 6 eco. Okay, and we want deluxe vacuum, so we're going to put 2 deluxe in the numerator. Okay, so now when we multiply these, notice that the economy vacuums cancel, so we know we've set this up correctly. If you want, you can think of this as being over 1. And we're going to multiply the numerators, 36 times 2, and the denominator would be 6. We can do this by hand. I'll just do this on the calculator because you can if you want to. Here, these are nice numbers, so it'd be easy to do by hand, but in other cases, they won't be as nice and you'll need the calculator. And our result is 12. And notice, deluxe remains, so it's 12 deluxe vacuums sold. Okay, let's look at the next one. If Lucas sold 8 deluxe vacuums, now we want to know how many economy vacuums did he sell? Well, again, we're going to start with what we know, 8 deluxe. We're going to set up our ratio times. Okay. Now, again, we go back to this given information. We want the deluxe to cancel, so we're going to put the 2 deluxe on bottom so it cancels with this deluxe on top. Remember, if need be, you could think of this as just over 1. So 2 deluxe, and in the numerator, the corresponding amount was 6 economy. So now notice the deluxe vacuums cancel, so we'll be left with economy vacuums. And in the numerator, we have 8 times 6. In the denominator, we have 1 times 2. Which equals 8 times 6 divided by 2, which is 24 economy vacuums. We have one more. If Lucas sold a total of 88 vacuums, they want to know how much of each type did he sell? So now for this one, they don't tell us anything about the total amount, but we can pick a type, either deluxe or economy, and then use the ratio. Let's use deluxe. So first let's just write this, find deluxe. Okay. And then we'll use a ratio of deluxe to the combined amount of deluxe and economy. So that's not the total vacuums he sold, but it's like a total in relation to these two parts and a whole. So start with 88 vacuums, and we'll put 88 total. Okay. Now we want deluxe, so there's 2 deluxe. And now over here, let's find the whole combining the two parts. So 2 we'll call it 2D plus 6 economy equals 8 total vacuums. Okay, so that's going to be our denominator here. So we could also think of it as 2 out of every 8 vacuums sold are deluxe. So we'll put 8 total. Now notice the totals cancel. And we can multiply across. This is 88 times 2 over 8. Let's just simplify here, or you could do it on your calculator, but 8 divided by 8 is 1, 88 divided by 8 is 11, and we get a total of 11 times 2, or 22 deluxe vacuums. Okay. We were asked to find how many of each type he sold, so we could do the same whole process using 6 out of 8 and multiplying it by 88, but notice we know the total number of vacuums sold was 88, so we can use that information because it's a little bit quicker. So the economy would be the total, 88, minus the deluxe, which would be 66 eco-vacs sold. Okay. So let's just circle our final answers so we have them. So 12, 24 economy, 22 deluxe, and 66 economy.